Do you know what's the best thing about waking up in the morning? For me, it's when you get to see the beautiful sunshine while drinking your morning coffee. And of course, waking up to a radiant and revitalized skin. There's no such thing as a tired look for me in the morning, most especially if I don't have much sleep the night before. No, seriously. And my skin savior, INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampoule. As a host, I'm used to all-nighters. Sleepless nights are guaranteed whenever I'm reviewing my scripts and notes. Despite that, I can't be caught showing up early morning with tired and dull skin. Thankfully, I have this. I use this on the night before to make sure I have a smooth and healthy looking skin when I wake up. It's literally a morning surprise ampoule. By the way, can you believe I'm already 31? That's the anti-aging power of Reset Concentrate. Reset, Repair, Revitalize. Feel the triple youth-generating power of Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampoule. INNISFREE.